no? I mean, it could be a little bit sunny, a little bit cloudy, but it's always cool. Yeah. Like the residents, di ba? Residents of West Group are always cool. There we go. There we go. Especially the yung mga crowds daw dito, di ba? You have I see different groups. Kadlaw always present. Yeah, okay. But giving you a run for your money, we have the West Grove Yoga Club is here. Oh, di ba? And of course, yung mga wala lang, tumira lang, pumunta dito, wala magawa sa bahay. Yun. That's everybody! Yay! Meron pa tayo.